Hey sis, if you want your divorce to go as quickly as possible, as cheaply as possible, you gotta get real fast. And there's a lot of stuff on the internet that's like, you need to come in and you need to have like all of your non-negotiables and this big old list of all the things you're gonna get in like this sort of like warrior mode mentality. And I get that. And you may feel this reaction, this like overreaction even to the way you showed up in your marriage, that you want to finally stand up for yourself and use your voice in the divorce. Okay. And that's like well-intentioned advice and a good perspective. But what you may do is like let the pendulum swing too far in the other direction and you become really stubborn and fixated and not flexible on some of the things that maybe are not as central to your core values and purpose and wants and needs as you thought in the first place. So I would advise you, as you think about getting divorced, try to keep a bit of an open mind about what you're trying to get out of this. Like get clear on what you want, but like try not to create like barriers made of stone around yourself, because you may be setting up boundaries that like can't be crossed for this to be able to settle at mediation. And you may find yourself in court where a judge who don't know you or your kids or your husband or your family or nothing decides what happens to literally everything you care about. And probably, I'm guessing, you want some sort of a say in how that goes. So being committed to a spirit of compromise to try to get to a resolution really can make the whole thing faster, easier, and cheaper. So don't get in your own way if you can help it. If you want to avoid the common delays that can come up when you're trying to get divorced, I invite you to consider the My Confident Divorce course. I'm Hannah Hembry Bell, a divorce lawyer mom from Austin, Texas, who created this course to help prepare you for a divorce that's faster, easier, and cheaper. That helps you plan and prepare so you don't lose your kids, your money, or sanity in the process. So if you'd like more information, let's get in there and get you signed up. See you in there.